Welcome to Daily Writing Journal. This episode is Summer Adventures Part 2, The Introduction. Let's look over our planning sheet from episode Part 1 to refresh our memory and begin writing our story. We need to begin our story with an introduction. This is the first paragraph of your story, the introductory paragraph. The introduction is the beginning of your story. It's where you grab your reader's attention, share a little about what your story is about, and make them want to keep reading. First, it should include a hook, which is a sentence that grabs the reader's attention. It could be a fun fact or an interesting statement. My hook will be, Hawaii is a cool place to visit during the summer. Next, it should include a hint about the story. This is a sentence or two that gives a sneak peek about your writing. Here's my hint. When I got off the plane, I felt the warm air on my face and smelled the salty ocean breeze. I immediately knew it was going to be a fun trip for my family. And finally, the introduction should have a focus statement. Sometimes, this is called a thesis statement. It's a sentence that tells the reader what the story is mainly about. Here's my focus statement. We were there for a whole week, and every day was full of exciting new adventures. Let's put it all together. I'm going to write my introductory paragraph on my paper. Hawaii is a cool place to visit during the summer. When I got off the plane, I felt the warm air on my face and smelled the salty ocean breeze. I immediately knew it was going to be a fun trip for my family. We were there for a whole week, and every day was full of exciting new adventures. It's your turn to write your introductory paragraph. Remember to begin with a hook to grab your reader's attention. Next, write another sentence or two to give a hint about your writing. And then finish with a focus statement that tells us what the story will be mainly about. See you in the next episode, Summer Adventures, Part 3, Body Paragraphs. Great job, everyone! If you would like a copy of the writing journal or digital download to print, follow the link below to purchase the item. Stay tuned for our next video. Don't forget to subscribe.